Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'm here to deliver the world's most famous Alfredo sauce guys, Italian Alfredo sauce. So right here I have a bunch of ingredients and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. So right here guys, I have some heavy cream, okay? Just gonna go ahead and pour this in my pot. And then to that guys, I'm going to go ahead and add some butter. Amazing. And this butter guys, I'm just going to allow it to get melted, okay guys? And when you're talking about your Alfredo shrimp pasta and your Alfredo chicken pasta, guys, this is the beginning of it, okay guys? You need to get the sauce right first before you can have a delicious pasta, okay guys? And remember, we are using cream here guys, so we don't want to boil the cream or else you're gonna make your sauce separated, and we really don't want that to happen. And what you wanna do guys, you wanna go ahead and stir occasionally, okay guys? Alright guys, then to this we're going to go ahead and add some diced garlic, some Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper, and we're just gonna allow this to soft boil for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want it to boil heavy, okay guys? So to this sauce guys, you don't want to go ahead and add any thickening agent, okay guys? Once you're using high quality ingredients, your sauce will be perfect, okay guys? So at this point guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This is very important guys, your freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that in, okay guys? And allow it to be melted. Wow, this sauce is gonna be so creamy guys, look at it. Wow, look at it guys. Wow, this is smelling good. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off my stove. Look how beautiful this is guys, nice and thick. Wow, this is how you want your Alfredo sauce to look, okay guys? And thank you so much for watching another video guys. Please stay tuned and watch how I'm gonna use this Alfredo sauce. I'll catch you in another video. Goodbye.